Alright, so we're gonna jump the Wrx with the cobalt because the Wrx's battery is dead, and I just want to get it running there for a little bit, and I'm gonna get a video of me doing it. So yeah, see you here in a second. Nope. That was a big nope. I don't think I had it connected good enough. We'll try something else. It's a big nope. Alright, it says we got 13.5. So let's see if anything happens. Alright, here we go. Oh, and she has life. She's alive! Alive! And she lives. And she lives. So it's alive, it's running, we're good to go. So, yep, hell yeah. So loud. Yeah, I know. Had to jump it with the cobalt, but we got her going. Right on. So yeah, we got her gunning. Got her. We're gonna get her warmed up or whatever. Get some new tires on her, get her inspected, maybe get her on the road this spring, and get the turbo and injectors and everything off in order, tuned up. See what she makes on the dyno. See you there. We got her running, and as you can hear, she's running pretty good. She just had a dead battery right now. Nothing I can't pick up a like AutoZone, Walmart, whatever. Have you? Vance, you know, O'Reilly's or Pep Boys. Whatever I can get me a battery from, get me a battery. Then we're gonna upgrade the turbo on it, upgraded injectors, upgraded fuel pump, relocate my boost controller away from the engine and all the heat. And then get it tuned, dynoed, find out what she's gonna make. It's gonna be pretty awesome this spring, so definitely stay tuned for that shit. And I want to give a couple little rev rubs, and I have my nephew run the camera while I do that. So there we go.